Hey guys, come along with me. I'm driving. I want to just continue with the live session that I've had with you guys, talking about the 3 strategies that you can quickly employ to get to a run rate of about 100K per year. Okay, now you can scale that up, and we show you how to do that to whatever your goals are. Okay, we have students who are already making over 100K per year. We have students who are making that in a month. We have students who are making that in a quarter, single quarter of being in business. They are making that. Starting your own online gig, working from the comfort of your location, of your choice, your own terms, nobody looking over your shoulder. And there are only 3 strategies that I want you guys to master. And we focus on these 3, okay? We don't want to give you 10 steps, 7 steps, 20 steps, 100 websites that can give you $1 million. No, just 3 simple strategies. 1, the fast money strategy. We focus on that, okay? The fast money strategy. Number 2, it's what we call the content strategy. Number 3 is the technology strategy. Okay, so the word strategy may scare off some of you guys, okay, because we deal with very new people who have never been online, people who have never made a penny online, people who have never even made a penny anywhere or on a brick and mortar store, people who have never sold anything online, people who have never traded anything online, people who have never invested anything on their own. So that's the type of students that we deal with. And then we have people who already have lots of money. They just want to make more money, okay? So the spectrum is wide, and our students come from all kinds of backgrounds. We have people joining us from all countries. Tajimoto is on here, one of our coaches, for over 20 years. Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan. Karinsas from Berlin, Germany. She's been with us for over 15 years. Josephine from Sydney, Australia, over 12 years doing this with us. Mr. Scott, London, over 17 years. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia in the United States, over 15 years. Jose from Sacramento, California, over 15 years. Rosemary from Toronto, Canada, over 16 years. Wuhan from Seoul, South Korea, over 12 years. Omoses from Lagos, Nigeria, over 12 years. Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa, over 12 years. Guys, we have coaches from all over the world. If there's any geographical area that you come from, there is somebody around there who has gone through our training, who is one of our coaches, and who has succeeded in whatever they are going to do online, and whatever they do online, very, very successful. Now, you might be wondering, who is this goon talking about 100K per year? Who is this guy? This guy is nobody, man. I'm nobody. I'm just a believer, okay? And I've been doing this since 1998. I've been online since 1998. I have trained thousands of people. I have worked with thousands of people. And whatever we train you, we are in the trenches. So I tell you to step. When I step, I tell you to step. When I click, I tell you to click. So whatever I'm showing you is stuff that I do every day, every hour, every minute, okay? Now, how comes I'm not known? How comes I don't have a big Instagram? How comes I don't have a big TikTok? How comes I don't have a big YouTube channel? How comes our coaches don't have a big names? Why are they not known? Why are they not on the Fortune 500s? Mostly because we are regular guys, okay? We are regular people just like you and me, okay? Most of our coaches are just regular guys, just next door, okay? They're just next door. Has any one of you read the Millionaire Next Door book? Okay? Some of our coaches are like that, okay? They just live right in your community, right there. But they are doing big things, okay? So the pandemic changed our thinking, okay? We were underground for many years, but the pandemic touched close to our hearts. It affected people that we know. It affected communities that we know. People lost their businesses. People lost their jobs because of the closures. One of our students, Martha, she lost her restaurant business because of the closures. And when she came to us, she said, I need to find a quick source of income. We said there's nothing like that, okay? There are no get-rich-quick schemes in the Smart Wolf Club, okay? Now, if you don't know what the Smart Wolf Club is, check the link in my bio. Go ahead and join the Smart Wolf Club, okay? You're gonna learn these 3 strategies that can easily catapult you to success by the end of this year, okay? 100K, you can back that. Now, there are no guarantees because whatever we offer, whatever we share with you is not financial advice. It's not professional financial advice. It's not professional legal advice. If you need that, go ahead and seek that from licensed individuals. We just share our experience. Some of us have been online since 1998. And a lot of people forget that the internet is over 30 years old, guys. It amazes me when people still cannot understand the power of harnessing the power of the internet, okay? The opportunities they are in the internet, okay? So when we talk about making 100K per year online, some people, it sounds like a pipe dream, okay? It sounds like a dream. And why does it sound like a dream to most people? Because they lack goals, okay? Dreams without goals just remain pipe dreams. You're gonna go 6 feet under with your dreams. That's what they say, the cemetery is the richest place when it comes to dreams, aspirations, wishes. It just becomes mere wishes, okay? So you have to put the goals, and that's why we say you need a community. That's why we talk about joining the Smart Wolf Club, getting a coach, getting somebody who has been there, who's done that. If you want to run a marathon, who are you going to turn to? Somebody who has done a marathon before, right? If you want to run a marathon, you're not going to talk to somebody who has all his life been running the 100-meter dash. What advice, what experiences is he going to share with you? So that's why we talk about online. So attach yourself, identify, hang out with fellows who are going where you want to go. This is a mindset piece that we talk about. This is class 101 when you come to the Smart Wolf Club, where we talk about success being 99% your mindset. Very key principle. We talk about the DGE strategy, where we talk about your dreams, defining your dreams. Some people have forgotten to dream. They have stopped dreaming because of low self-esteem, lack of confidence, naysayers around you. You are surrounded by negativity. The environment is so negative that if you bring something around, it might just start a fire. It's so negatively charged. Your broke uncles, your broke whoever around you, your negative spouse, your negative relations, your jack of a boss. All these people have been telling you you cannot amount to anything. So this rubs onto you and it affects your mindset. So when somebody comes along and tells you, you know, by doing ABCD, you can make 100K per year online, you think that is a joke. You think that's funny. You think that's a pipe dream. You think that's not meant for you. It's meant for somebody else. It's meant for those gurus or those influencers online. No. I'm a believer. The master teacher says, you are blessed. Blessed are those. Blessed are those. Those means plural when I checked. Those, the word those means plural, plurality. It means everybody. You and I, we are already blessed. Our blessings are already there. We just need to go and get them. And how do we get them? Using this simple principle. We call it the FCC principle. We teach that in the Smart Wolf Club, okay? You can check the link in the bio if you want to learn more about the FCC principle, which is the Frank Charlie principle. Focus, confidence, consistency. If you lack focus, you're going to start procrastinating. You're going to start second guessing yourself. You're going to start doubting your efforts. If you lack confidence, you're going to become indecisive. You're not going to make decisions. Okay? You're not going to make decisions. I tell you, put $100 here towards this advertisement, you're going to say, no, I'm likely to lose my money, because you lack confidence. Okay? I tell you, you need to create this website. You're going to say no, because you don't believe you can do it. And we show you ways and means you can do that. And if you can't do it, we teach you the skill.